guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. Deepika Padukone asked Siddhant Chaturvedi if he's showing off in his training montage. Sanjay Dutt films for climax of KGF 2 in Hyderabad. Varun Dhawan slams Troll, who accused him of lying about testing positive for pandemic-related virus. Kareena, Taimur and Saif are back in Mumbai after over 3 weeks in the hills. Fardeen Khan is looking 25 again, and here's his secret.
Kareena ma'am, that's it. That's it.
After a relaxing and fun-filled holiday in the hills, छोटे से तैमूर अली खान लौट आए हैं मुंबई अपने पेरेंट्स करीना कपूर खान और सैफ अली खान के साथ. Kareena and Taimur, who joined Saif for Diwali, accompanied him from Dharamshala to Palampur, where the actor was busy shooting for Bhoot Police. Kareena completed filming her scenes from Lal Singh Chadda and also shot for episodes of her chat show before taking a much-needed break together. Kareena and Saif are expecting their second child early next year, and it looks like with all her shoot commitments completed, Kareena is relaxing and enjoying the couple of months before baby number 2 makes an appearance. Taimur, Kareena and Saif were spotted when they landed via a charter flight in Mumbai. Kareena was dressed in a color-coordinated shirt and trousers, but what stood out were her comfy but brightly colored neon green sneakers. Chote Nawab Taimur was twinning with Papa Saif, and both the Pataudi boys were dressed in matching grey sweaters with the American flag printed on the front. Kareena ने पालमपुर से निकलने से पहले अपना एक सेल्फी शेयर किया, which had the beautiful hills in the background. She looked glamorous with her famous big dark glasses, a winter jacket, and of course, the Bebo pouch. Kareena, who seems to have thoroughly enjoyed her stay in the hills, captioned her glamorous selfie. Bye bye Palampur, what a brilliant experience. And hello Mumbai, I'm coming home. Kareena has been sharing lots of posts and updates from the fun she and Taimur had while Saif was shooting for Bhoot Police. But Saif's sister Sabah also seems to have joined the couple and Taimur on their holiday. Sabah shared an adorable photo of the soon-to-be family of 4, and while Saif and Kareena are seen posing for the picture, छोटे से तैमूर, जिनके पीछे photographers दिन रात पड़े रहते हैं, is distracted by something he has spotted on the ground. Kareena seems to have really enjoyed this vacation in the hills, and while she and Saif usually holiday in the far more glamorous places each year in December, it seems like इस travel restrictions की वजह से the family got a chance to explore and enjoy the beauty of Indian hill stations. Kareena and Taimur seem to have tried their hand at many new things like pottery, nature walks, cooking classes, and spent lots of time outdoors enjoying the great weather. Bebo and Saif are back in Mumbai, लेकिन लगता है उन्हें ये हॉलिडे हमेशा याद रहेगा और तैमूर के साथ बिताया हुआ ढेर सारा वक्त भी. Deepika Padukone seems to have become good friends with co-actor Siddhant Chaturvedi, जो उनके साथ शकुन बत्रा की अगली फिल्म में दिखेंगे. When Siddhant dropped a video recently of himself working out in many different ways, Deepika, जो खुद अपने फिटनेस के लिए जानी जाती है, dropped a comment asking if he was showing off. After a long and unexpected break during the lockdown, Deepika is busy as a bee and will be shooting at least 2 films back to back, with no confirmations yet about when she joins the film Pathaan, which she is rumored to have signed as well. पिछले कई दिनों से Deepika has been spotted with co-actor Siddhant Chaturvedi as they take the ferry back and forth from Alibag, where they are currently shooting for the next schedule of Shakun Batra's untitled film. Now, Deepika and Siddhant often share pictures from their boat rides together, but now it seems like Deepika is loving Siddhant's fitness videos as well. Siddhant Chaturvedi made a huge breakthrough with his performance in Gully Boy, and the young actor came very close to stealing scenes from more experienced actors like Ranveer and Kalki with his effortless and natural performance. Siddhant, who has also acted in web series on various OTT platforms, is gearing to be seen in his first Dharma Productions film alongside Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Dhairya Karwa. After shooting a long schedule in Goa and being spotted shooting in Mumbai, Deepika and Siddhant have been taking the ferry regularly to Alibag और अक्सर रास्ते में दिखते खूबसूरत नजारों को सिद्धांत अपने कैमरा से कैद करते हैं. Sunsets, समुंदर and the chill atmosphere on their private ferry often make way to his social media feed. But looks like the actor has also been working extra hard on his physique for this movie. Siddhant shared a video montage of the different kinds of training regimes he has been following. Skateboarding, shadow boxing, running on the beach and many other kinds of physical training seem to be a part of his fitness routine. सिद्धांत ने अपने वर्कआउट विजुअल्स को एक रैप गाने के बीट्स पे एडिट किया है, which reminded his fans instantly of his character in Gully Boy. It seems like some of these visuals have been filmed during the film's shooting in Goa, where the team was based for quite some time. Siddhant's co-star Deepika, जो खुद एक fitness enthusiast है, dropped a hilarious comment on Siddhant's video and asked, "Showing off?" सिद्धांत ने भी दीपिका के सवाल का चीकी जवाब देते हुए कहा, "Maybe." Fans are super excited to see this unusual combination of actors together on screen. But little is known about the plot of the film, which is supposed to be about complex relationships. सिद्धांत and दीपिका की ये इंटरेस्टिंग जोड़ी ऑन स्क्रीन क्या मैजिक दिखाएगी, ये तो वक्त और बॉक्स ऑफिस ही बताएगा. Actor Fardeen Khan, who has been away from the limelight for almost a decade, has undergone a jaw-dropping physical transformation and is looking fitter than ever before. Fardeen was spotted by paparazzi outside director Mukesh Chhabra's office और उनका ये नया healthy version देख के netizens के भी होश उड़ गए. बॉलीवुड स्टार्स का कहना है कि ऐसा माना जाता है कि उनको पॉपुलर रहने के लिए सिर्फ 3 चीजों की जरूरत है. To quote Pooh, it's good looks and good looks. Now whether it's Sara Ali Khan, Arjun Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor and now Fardeen Khan, many B-town residents have lost oodles of weight or completely changed the way they look on their journey to stardom. Take a look. Fardeen Khan has not been seen in a film since 2010. And the actor, who has spent most of the past decade in London with his wife and kids, seemed to be planning a comeback in Bollywood. In 2016, Fardeen was savagely trolled by netizens after pictures of him looking visibly heavier was shared online. But it looks like Fardeen has now put in a lot of hard work and shed the extra pounds, and his latest public appearance has stunned netizens and his fans. Fardeen was spotted looking fit and dapper in a grey t-shirt and black jeans, और उनका ये fresh new अवतार लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. Several people posted comments online admiring Fardeen's lean new look. Speaking to a newspaper about his transformation, Fardeen ने बताया कि उन दिनों he had let himself go because he was in a happy space and didn't care about his size. But इस साल he decided that he needed to shed the pounds क्योंकि वो healthy और young महसूस नहीं कर रहे थे. With the aim of wanting to look and feel like his 25-year-old self again, Fardeen started working towards the goal of being a much healthier version of himself. I wanted to feel very, very good again. I started eating right and healthy, coupled it with correct workouts. Fardeen has shared that he has already lost 18 kilos, but he still has about 35% of his weight loss journey left before he completes his goal. Hinting at a possible comeback, Fardeen added, "In the work that we do in our industry, you are expected to look your best, and you indeed want to look your best." It looks like a brand new film for a brand new Fardeen Khan may be just round the corner. Bollywood has seen many such transformations where overnight aspiring actors hit the gym, quit unhealthy food and become virtually unrecognizable after completing their weight loss journeys. Arjun Kapoor lost 50 kilos before signing his first film, and the actor, who has said that being overweight had become a part of his identity, decided to take steps after Salman Khan motivated him to get healthier. Sara Ali Khan is another actor who has spoken about her battles with being overweight. Sara overcame the challenges posed by PCOS and lost plenty of kilos before fulfilling her Bollywood dreams. Sara ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था, "We can talk about acceptance and equality, but you will not watch a movie with your lead heroine being 96 kilos." Whether or not he makes a Bollywood comeback, his healthier body and mind are the best gift he can give himself and his family. Way to go, Fardeen! आपका ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बहुत लोगों के लिए मोटिवेशन है. वरुण धवन ने दिया एक ट्रोल को मुंह तोड़ जवाब. When he tried to ask the actor if he had actually tested positive for the pandemic-related virus, या फिर वो बीमार होने की एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. Varun Dhawan had recently resumed work and had been busy with the promotions of his upcoming film Coolie No. 1 and the shoot of his next movie opposite Kiara Advani, Jug Jug Jio. Varun had shared that he had contracted the virus in his social media post, and he asked people to be as careful as possible. Some of his co-stars like Manish Paul and director Raj Mehta have also tested positive for the pandemic-related virus. Varun had just shared yesterday as he returned to work, he had contracted the virus in spite of the production team taking all the necessary precautions. Varun ने अपने social media post में लिखा था, "All precautions were taken by the production, but still nothing is certain in life. So please be extra careful. I believe I could have been more careful." The actor, who had been out and about promoting Coolie No. 1 and shooting for Jug Jug Jio, is now in isolation as he begins the recovery process. लेकिन it looks like trolls उनके इस हालत में भी nasty comments करने का मौका नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं. One troll left a particularly unpleasant comment on Varun's post and accused him of faking his illness. The troll wrote, "भाई सही में हुआ है ना? या फिर यहाँ भी नॉर्मल खांसी की ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा है?" While most Bollywood stars choose to ignore such comments, looks like the dangers associated with the pandemic-related virus caused Varun to react strongly to this accusation. वरुण के कमेंट से पता चलता है कि वो कितने annoyed और upset थे. Wow, you are so funny. What an amazing sense of humor you have. I hope you and family don't suffer through this, though they will have to suffer through your sad excuse of humor. Get well soon, son, he wrote in response to the trolls' accusations. वरुण ने अपने इस कमेंट को बाद में डिलीट कर दिया. But unfortunately, this spat on social media show how stars are often soft targets for such rude comments. वरुण ने अपने पहले पोस्ट को एडिट करके दोबारा शेयर किया and added a few lines about all the positive messages he has been getting. He also thanked all those who have wished him well. I see the get well soon messages and my spirits are high-taking each day at a time. Thank you, he wrote. We wish Varun a speedy recovery and hope that Coolie number 1 becomes a huge success. Sanjay Dutt has battled a serious illness and after making a full recovery, he is back on the set to complete filming the climax of KGF Chapter 2 in Hyderabad with his co-actor Yash. Sanjay Dutt, who had spent the lockdown at his home in Mumbai, had just resumed work on his films Shamshera and Sadak 2 when he faced a health setback. The actor was reportedly diagnosed with cancer, but ever the fighter Sanjay undertook treatment and even announced a few weeks ago कि अब वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. It seems the actor, who will be seen in Torba soon when it premieres on an OTT platform, is back to work in full swing and is enjoying this new lease of his life to the fullest. After the tremendous success of KGF Chapter 1, director Prashant Neel is now busy completing Chapter 2 of the film that stars Yash and Sanjay Dutt in the lead roles. While the team had completed filming large parts of the movie before the lockdown began, the climax and several other key scenes were still pending. Sanjay's health setback seems to have further delayed the production, but finally the cast and crew have gathered together in Hyderabad's Ramoji Film City to complete shooting for the movie. The makers have constructed a massive set and the team is currently busy filming scenes for the climax of the film, which will be a huge high point in the story. डायरेक्टर प्रशांत ने मूवी के फाइट मास्टर्स के साथ एक फोटो सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर की and he wrote, "Climax it is, Rocky, Adhira with the deadly fight masters Anbariv, #KGF Chapter 2." Sanjay Dutt will play the antagonist Adhira opposite Yash's character Rocky, and the makers had revealed his look on the occasion of Sanjay's 61st birthday. Sanjay will be seen sporting tattoos and an elaborate costume that had fans feeling very curious about the film's plot. सुनने में आया है that the movie will see Sanjay Dutt and Yash clash over gold mines. With his body language and on-screen charisma, Sanjay was an obvious fit for the role of Adhira. Actor Yash had shared in an interview, when director Prashant Neel narrated the character of Adhira, he had himself mentioned that this role needs somebody like Sanjay Dutt. He was there in a mind right from the initial stages. Fans of the actors and KGF Chapter 1 can't wait to see the trailer of this film, and knowing the difficulties everyone has gone through, especially Sanjay, will make this movie all the more special. प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास. Stay with us. Aditya Narayan is a happily married man. The singer and TV host show revealed that the wedding went off exactly as per plan. And watching his close friends and family, including his parents, dance and celebrate almost moved him to tears. It has been almost a week since Aditya Narayan and Shweta Agarwal got married. But it looks like people and the couple are still celebrating. Aditya and Shweta had quite the epic romance, and after dating for 10 years, the couple finally married last week with just family and close friends attending. दोनों ने मंदिर में एक सिंपल शादी की, which was followed by a fun-filled reception and संगीत, जहां सब ने जम के धूम मचाई. Take a look. Aditya and Shweta have shared in their first interview as a couple that the wedding followed all the restrictions and didn't have more than 50 people at every venue as per the norms. While planning a wedding, even otherwise, is difficult. Planning one during a pandemic was especially tough. The couple shared कि वो बस चाहते हैं कि कोई बीमार ना पड़े. And luckily, even a week after their wedding, all their wedding guests are hale and hearty. अपनी शादी के फंक्शंस के बारे में बात करते हुए आदित्य ने कहा that he ideally wanted a very private wedding with just him, Shweta and their immediate families. लेकिन श्वेता कुछ और लोगों को बुलाना चाहती थी. Finally, the couple came to an understanding and with the continuing restrictions on the number of guests, वो हर फंक्शन पे 50 से ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं बुला पाए. Aditya shared that they made sure to follow all the rules क्योंकि इतने महीनों की मेहनत और 10 साल के इंतजार के बाद वो नहीं चाहते थे कि ऑफिशियल्स उनकी शादी का कोई भी फंक्शन रोक दे. While the wedding was a huge success, Aditya इसका credit अपनी wife और cousins को देते हैं. And he acknowledges that Shweta worked really hard to make their dream wedding a reality. शादी के हर फंक्शन में आदित्य और उनके पापा उदित नारायण के प्रोफेशनल फ्रेंड्स भी मौजूद थे. And Aditya shares that each of their colleagues made sure to attend at least one of the wedding functions. After having low pre-wedding ceremonies and a simple temple wedding, the couple seems to have had a blast at the reception, which was followed by a Sangeet and dance party. संगीत के बारे में बात करते हुए आदित्य ने कहा that his parents and Shweta had also prepared special performances और उन्हें डांस करता देख आदित्य की आंखों में आंसू थे. He couldn't believe that after 10 whole years he was finally married to his soulmate. While Udit ji had said in an interview that he would have loved to have a grander celebration, Shweta ने इंटरव्यू में कहा कि पैंडेमिक से पहले वो एक सिंपल वेडिंग ही चाहती थी, जिसमें 100 से ज्यादा लोग ना हो. So while no one wanted the pandemic-related problems, उनकी सिंपल शादी का सपना पूरा हो गया. We wish Aditya and Shweta a very happy married life and hope they stay together happily ever after. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. You guys can go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood and your favorite celebrities. Until next time, it's goodbye.